Welcome back to TenorShare, everyone. The new iOS have been released for a few days now. Have you guys tried the new iOS? The name drop sticker, contact poster, FaceTime reactions, and any other features are very interesting. It's recommended to update your iPhone to the new iOS if your iPhone has enough storage. So, if you don't have enough storage, or you want to factory reset your iPhone for other reasons, but you don't remember the password, what can you do? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to factory reset your iPhone without your password or without computer. Let's go! Solution 1. Factory reset iPhone and iPad on the lock screen without computer. To factory reset iPhone or your iPad on the lock screen, your iPhone or iPad need to fulfill these conditions. 1. Your iPhone or iPad is running iOS 15.2/iPad OS 15.2 or later version of system. 2. Your iPhone or iPad is already logged in with the Apple ID and you know the passcode. 3. Your iPhone or iPad is connecting to cellular data or Wi-Fi. Then let's try to factory reset on the lock screen. If you are running iOS 17, type in a few times wrong passcode. When iPhone or iPad is unavailable, you should see a forgot passcode option on the bottom right. If you are running iOS 16 or older version, you need to keep typing the wrong passcode. When the unavailable time reaches 30 minutes above, you will see the erase iPhone option on the bottom right. This should take you a while to do.
Now tap the Forgot Passcode option. Start iPhone reset and type in your Apple ID password. Erase option will pop up. Tap it. And then the erase process will begin. It will take a long time. Wait for it to complete. Once the process is okay, you can see my iPhone is on the hello screen. I need to set it up again, which means it's been factory reset. If your device is missing one of these conditions, or the erase button just not working, you can try next method.
Solution 2. Factory reset iPhone and iPad with 4U key. This is a professional Apple device unlock tool, which also can factory reset your iPhone when your iPhone is locked. I already put the link in the description. Once installed 4U key, connect your iPhone or iPad to your PC or Mac and open 4U key. Click the unlock screen start button.
If 4U key not detected your iPhone, you need to put it in recovery mode.
And click start again. Here need to download firmware to factory reset your iPhone or iPad. Click download. The download won't be long depending on your network condition. Once the download is finished, click Start to remove option. 4U key will begin to factory reset your iPhone to the factory default. This will take a while, so be patient and relax. Okay, the process is done. Let's check it out. You can see my iPhone now needs to complete setup, which means it's been factory reset. Let's speed up the setup process.
You can set a new passcode or don't set a passcode now. You also can restore your data on this page, but I will skip it.
Now you can see my iPhone is as good as the new one. After the factory reset, I can feel it getting smoother than before. Go try it! If you prefer to use iTunes or Finder, follow next two methods. Solution 3. Factory reset iPhone/iPad with iTunes. To use iTunes to factory reset your locked iPhone/iPad, you need to put it in recovery mode first. Now open iTunes and connect your iPhone to your PC. Then press the volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button. Keep holding till the recovery mode screen shows up. Then you should see iTunes pop up a window that tells you your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. Choose Restore here and proceed with the process. iTunes will begin to download firmware. Once the download is okay, it will start to factory reset your iPhone. This could take a long time, and iTunes always will occur errors while updating or restoring. I recommended to use Finder more. Solution 4. Factory reset iPhone/iPad with Finder. Like we just did, connect your iPhone/iPad to your Mac and put your iPhone into recovery. Press the volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button. Keep holding till the recovery mode screen shows up. Then you should see Finder pop up a window that tells you your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. Choose Restore here and proceed with the process. Finder will begin to download firmware. Once the download is okay, it will start to factory reset your iPhone.
If iTunes or Finder is not working on your iPhone or iPad, but you have a second Apple device that logged in with the same Apple ID, then you should try iCloud.
Solution 5. Factory reset iPhone/iPad with iCloud/Apple ID no computer. Go to iCloud.com and log in with your Apple ID here. Require a two-factor authentication code. That's why need a second Apple device. Then click the Find iPhone icon. Click all devices on the top. Choose the one you want to factory reset. Click Erase iPhone and proceed with the erase process. Then your iPhone will automatically start the factory reset process. It will take some time. Wait for it complete. This is how to factory reset your iPhone without password or computer. Factory reset iPhone is a big move, so it is very important that you make sure you have all the data in backup or you don't want the data at all. Otherwise, once the factory reset is done, there is basically no way to get back your data. Hope you find this video helpful, and give us a subscription if you want. See you in the next video.